Here at Pasta Loioco, we love to make pasta the traditional way. We are the artisans of pasta makers. We use few ingredients to make the dough and few more to make the fillings. When you look on the label or the ingredient statements, you'll see that we like to keep it all natural and no preservatives. Our pasta is super fresh with only few ingredients. Visit our online store at pastaglutenfree.com. We start making your pasta after you order it. We freeze it, we pack it, and we ship it straight to you with FedEx full of dry ice. You won't find any other pasta that is fresher than this, or tastes better than this one. We specialize on fresh filled pastas like raviolis or cannellonis, even handmade gnocchis. Fresh pastas like my mom or my grandma used to make for me when I was a kid, and now I'm teaching my daughters to make, passing along the tradition. Thank you for watching and sharing this video.